This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone supports Esim and runs the latest iOS. This matters because older firmware can block provisioning. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi and unlock the phone with your passcode. Next, locate the carrier's QR or the 11-digit activation code. You'll need it immediately. I recommend keeping your physical SIM handy for fallback. Make sure to back up critical settings so you can restore if anything resets during activation. You now add the eSIM profile through Settings. Tap Cellular, then add Cellular Plan and scan the carrier QR. If scanning fails, choose Enter Details and type the SMDP Plus and activation code exactly. Once the plan appears, label it so you can tell lines apart and select which line handles voice, SMS, and data. Make sure to toggle on data and set defaults to avoid service gaps. If you expect international use, enable data roaming only when required to control charges. Finish by restarting your iPhone and checking that the new eSIM shows as active with signal bars. Make a test call and try mobile data. If activation stalls, reset network settings, then rescan the QR or re-enter the activation code. If that still fails, contact the carrier with your IXID and eSIM activation details. They can push provisioning. One key troubleshooting tip: if the phone refuses to register on the network, use the physical SIM temporarily and get care.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.